All right, so next thing you're asked to do in this question is prepare a bar trading account for the year ended 31 December 18. So it's a trading account like you've got in the top of the trading profit and loss accounts that you would have done in final accounts before. So your trading account is sales less cost of sales. And your cost of sales will be opening stock plus purchases, take away closing stock. All right. So like nothing radically different from what you've seen before. All right. Where are we going to get these numbers from then? So if it's a profit and loss, sorry, as I said, it's a trading account. It's going to start with sales, and they tell me that receipts and payments, bar sales 42,100. So bar trading account year end 31 December 18, and just my 3 columns down. So sales 42,100. So that's my bar sales from my receipts and payments account. Less your cost of sales. Okay, and this is always opening stock plus purchases, take away closing stock. We are going to have to adjust the purchases a little bit when we get there, but let's just put the opening stock in first. So this is the bar trading account for the year end 31 December 18. So where am I going to find bar stock, opening bar stock for 1st of January 18? Well, it's up here. Okay, so 1st of January 18, bar stock 7,100. So that's going to go into your bar trading account. And then I'm going to add bar purchases to that, 26,900. Okay, I'm going to put it here because I'm going to adjust that a little bit. So just briefly, the receipts and payments account, that's like a cash book basically. So whoever's preparing that will put entries into it as cash is received and as cash is paid out. But our trading account should include all the purchases for 2018, okay, regardless of whether they're paid for in 2018. So if this is the cash paid out in 2018, 26,900, then some of that 26,900 will be to pay for these bar creditors here at the start. But they are bar creditors at the very start of the year, so they're from 2017. So I should take away those creditors on the 1st of January from this number here. So this 26,900 is all the cash paid out for bar purchases during the year, but that 26,900 includes this 3,600, which really belongs to last year. So I'm going to say less creditors 1st of January. Okay, so you take away like opening creditors if you like. So that's 3,600. And then you're also told in the question that at the end of the year you have bar creditors of 2,300. So you've bought €2,300 worth of stuff, but you haven't paid the money for it yet. So that won't be included here because the money hasn't been paid yet. So this is only movements of money that go into the receipts and payments account. So you need to add this 2,300 on to your bar purchases. So add creditors 31 December 2,300. And then when you do that, you get 25,600. So that's the actual purchases made during 18. So all the cash you paid out, take away the cash which must have been for last year's stuff, plus then purchases for this year which we haven't paid for yet, so aren't included in this number. All right. In theory, they could do that with sales as well. You could have debtors that you require a similar adjustment for, but what has come up on the exam over and over again is the creditors. Okay, so you'll see this adjustment again and again as you go through prior exam questions. All right, so your opening stock and your purchases, you'll add those together, add those two, and you get 32,700. Then take away your closing stock. Your closing stock then, so that's stock on the 31 December. So you're doing the accounts for 31 December. So closing stock was 7,200. And those subtracted from each other are going to give you 25,500. And that'll be your cost of sales. And then your sales less cost of sales is going to be your gross profit. Well, in this case, bar profit, what we normally call a gross profit. So subtract those from each other and you get 16,600, and that is bar